best ink tank printers are perfect for home offices, students, and small businesses that need high-volume printing at a low cost. With refillable ink tanks, fast performance, and excellent print quality, these printers offer a budget-friendly solution for everyday documents and vibrant color prints. Starting at number 1. Epson EcoTank ET15000. The Epson EcoTank ET15000 wireless color all-in-one super tank printer is a versatile and high-performance printer designed for home offices and small businesses that need affordable, high-volume printing. Featuring Epson's refillable EcoTank system, it delivers ultra-low printing costs while offering printing, scanning, copying, and faxing in one convenient device. With support for wireless, Ethernet, USB, and mobile printing, users can easily print from laptops, smartphones, and tablets. The printer also supports borderless wide-format printing up to 13 by 19 inches, making it ideal for flyers, presentations, and creative projects. Its automatic document feeder, auto-duplex printing, and sharp color output make everyday office tasks fast and efficient, while the large ink tanks help reduce frequent refills and downtime. Number 2. HP SmartTank 7005/7001. The HP SmartTank 7001 wireless all-in-one ink tank printer is a reliable all-in-one printer built for families and home offices that need affordable, high-volume color printing. Featuring HP's cartridge-free refillable ink tank system, it comes with up to 2 years of ink included, allowing users to print thousands of pages while keeping operating costs low. The printer supports printing, scanning, and copying, along with automatic two-sided printing, wireless connectivity, and mobile printing for added convenience. It delivers sharp text and vibrant color graphics, making it ideal for documents, school projects, and everyday office tasks. Its spill-free refill system and user-friendly design make maintenance simple, while built-in Wi-Fi and USB connectivity ensure smooth printing from computers, smartphones, and tablets. Number 3. Epson EcoTank ET2850. The Epson EcoTank ET2850 wireless color all-in-one cartridge-free super tank printer is a compact and budget-friendly ink tank printer designed for home users, students, and small offices that want low-cost, high-volume printing. Featuring Epson's cartridge-free EcoTank system, it offers incredibly low printing costs with refillable ink tanks capable of printing thousands of pages before needing a refill. The printer supports wireless and USB connectivity, along with scanning, copying, and automatic two-sided printing for added convenience. It delivers sharp text and vibrant color output with a high print resolution of up to 4800 by 1200 dpi, making it suitable for everyday documents, schoolwork, and occasional photo printing. While its print speeds are moderate and it lacks an automatic document feeder, the ET2850 stands out for its excellent ink efficiency, reliable print quality, and easy mobile printing support. Number 4. Canon MegaTank G3270 Wireless Printer. The Canon MegaTank G3270 all-in-one wireless inkjet printer is a compact and affordable ink tank printer designed for home use, offering printing, scanning, and copying in one device. It features Canon's high-capacity MegaTank system, which can print up to 6,000 black and white pages or 7,700 color pages from a single set of ink bottles, making it highly cost-efficient for heavy, everyday printing. With wireless connectivity and mobile printing support, it allows easy printing from smartphones, laptops, and tablets. The printer delivers sharp text and good quality color output, along with borderless photo printing up to 8.5 by 11 inches. While it is not the fastest printer and lacks automatic duplex printing, it stands out for its low running costs, reliable performance, and excellent value for students, families, and small home offices. Number 5. Epson EcoTank ET8550. The Epson EcoTank Photo ET8550 wireless wide-format super tank printer is a premium all-in-one printer designed for photographers, creators, and home offices that need exceptional print quality with very low running costs. It uses Epson's 6-color Claria EcoTank system with refillable ink bottles, delivering vibrant, lab-quality photos and sharp documents while significantly reducing ink expenses over time. This wide-format printer supports printing up to 13 by 19 inches, making it ideal for posters, creative projects, and professional-quality photo prints. It also includes scanning and copying functions, a large 4.3-inch touchscreen for easy control, and strong connectivity options like Wi-Fi and Ethernet. With its high-resolution output, borderless printing, and support for various media types, the ET8550 stands out as one of the best choices for users who want professional-level photo printing at home with long-term savings on ink.